If your audience is scattered across emails, Facebook groups, and random messages, you're making business harder than it needs to be. A community site gives your members one home base where they can connect, ask questions, stay updated, and keep moving forward with your business. And the good news, you can create one right inside GoHighLevel. In this video, I will show you how you can build a community site easily using GoHighLevel. Connection is what keeps people coming back. For course creators, coaches, and digital product sellers, a community site can be used for student support, member discussions, weekly updates, challenge groups, private coaching communities, or paid membership spaces. Instead of trying to manage everything through scattered messages and third-party groups, you can build a central place where your people know exactly where to go. Now, let's build the community site inside GoHighLevel. First, create a new community. From your GoHighLevel dashboard, go to Memberships, then click the Communities tab. From there, click Create a Community. This is where you're starting, the main container for your community site. Next, enter your group details. Add the group name, description, and any important settings that explain what this community is for. Once everything looks good, click Create Group. Next, create a password to access your community portal. GoHighLevel will ask you to create a password to access all your groups if it's your first time creating one. Enter the password you want to use, then click Set Password. Once your community is created, take a few minutes to review your community's settings. Check the details, review the access options, and make sure the setup matches how you want members to use it. Then, start inviting members. You can also add new channels to organize conversations by topic. For example, you might create channels for announcements, course questions, wins, support, or weekly discussions. That way, your community stays organized instead of turning into one big junk drawer of random posts. Let's say you sell an online course. You could use your community site as the place where students ask questions, share progress, and get updates from you. So instead of answering the same question 10 different times in emails or private messages, you can answer it once inside the community where everyone can benefit. And that's how you create a community site inside GoHighLevel. Check the links in the description to start using GoHighLevel today. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and follow along for more simple tutorials that help you build a smarter online business.